In a picturesque village surrounded by rolling hills, there stood an old lantern that had once been famous for its brilliant light. Generations of villagers had relied on it to guide their way through the darkest nights. But as time passed, the lantern's glow grew faint, and it was soon forgotten in a dusty corner. One day, a young man named Kyo, who had always been drawn to the lantern's history, noticed its dim light. Determined to restore it, she sought the wisdom of the village elder, known for his deep understanding of life's mysteries. "Why has the lantern lost its light?" Kyo asked the elder. "It used to shine so brightly. How can we make it glow again?" The elder gazed at Kyo with a knowing smile. The lantern's light represents the inner spark of every soul. Its dimness reflects the neglect it has faced. To reignite its brilliance, you must first clean away the dust that has gathered over time. Kyo was intrigued. "How do I do that?" she asked. "Start by gently wiping away the dirt," the elder instructed. "Just as you clear the lantern of grime, clear your own heart of negativity and worries. Our inner light dims when we let our fears and doubts cloud our spirit." Kyo set to work, carefully cleaning the lantern. As she did, she noticed the light starting to brighten. It was a powerful reminder that even small efforts can lead to significant changes. Once the lantern was clean, the elder advised Kyo to refuel it with pure oil. The oil represents your passions and purpose. To keep the light burning brightly, you must nourish your soul with positivity, gratitude, and a clear sense of direction. Kyo followed this advice, adding fresh oil to the lantern. As the wick absorbed the oil and ignited, the lantern's glow became warm and radiant, illuminating the entire village. The elder's words echoed in Kyo's mind. Just as you have restored the lantern's light, you can renew your own inner light. Regular self-care, positivity, and pursuing your passions will keep your spirit vibrant. Your inner light has the power to guide and inspire others as well. From that day on, Kyo embraced the elder's wisdom. She made a conscious effort to clear her mind of negativity and focus on her dreams. She found that by nurturing her inner light, she could overcome challenges and inspire those around her. And so, the lantern not only regained its brilliance, but became a symbol of hope and transformation for everyone in the village. Kyo's journey of restoring the lantern became a powerful reminder that we all have the ability to shine brightly when we tend to our inner light and pursue our true passions.